Hi, welcome to Sid's Tips. Hope you're having a great day. And I've been an ambassador for AirDoctor for quite some time now. And for the first time, the company has given us the opportunity to offer the replacement air filters for a 10% discount compared to the corporate website. So I wanted to share that with you. If you are looking to get replacement filters, or in the future, if you get an AirDoctor, you could save 10%. Now, one of the things as well is there are counterfeit air filters out there, and the company has found a way to make sure they're legitimate. So you really want to get it through the website, so you're getting the legitimate air filters. So if you come to my website, and I'll put a link in the description as well as in the comment section, you can come to filters. You click on the filters there, and let's look at the price. So AirDoctor 3000 series, which is their, I believe, most popular unit. The combo pack is normally $179.85, but the price through my replicated site is $137.69. Now, if you were to go directly to the corporate site, that same price is $152.99. So that's a nice discount. That's 10%. If you were to come down here and you look at these prices, you have the HEPA filter, which is $53.96, or the other filter, the VOC replacement filter, is $53.96. If you come here on the corporate website, they're $59.95. So that is a nice discount. Again, $53.96 plus the shipping. So again, you could save 10%. Also, you could save very big discounts through my referral site on the purifiers. So if you come here to purifiers, click on that, and we're gonna look, in this case, at the 3000. And by the way, which I've shared, they have now the Wi-Fi option where you can use it with the app, and it works great, and it shows you the air quality and the filter levels and all that good stuff. So my website, it's normally $729, but you can get it through my website for $449 plus the shipping. And you can get it with and without the Wi-Fi, which is great. If you come to the corporate website, you could see here, we'll go to the purifiers. The price is not discounted, it's full retail. So you can see there it's $729. So that's quite a nice savings. So I will put a link to my referral site so you can take advantage both of the 10% discount and the even bigger discount on the purifiers. Any questions you have, let me know. I appreciate your time, and we'll see you on the next one. Take care.